Scrap metal inspections to be tightened at ports amid concerns illegally obtained copper is being exported. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A very special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Anthony Lug. Also this evening, political tension clouds handing over of house in Manchester. And later, St. Elizabeth farmers counting their losses following widespread flooding in Rocky Hill. There's also Saturday Sports Special and weather in this newscast, so please stay with us. The news in detail right after this break.